Firstly, I'd like to thank you for paying attention to our safety brief. Now we are in the air, a few more health and safety points to cover on tonight's flight to ensure the flight remains both safe and comfortable for yourself and those seated around you. Once again, we'd like to remind you that Virgin Atlantic operates a non-smoking service to Gatwick, and no smoking signs throughout the cabin must be adhered to. Smoking is not permitted in the toilets, which aren't with smoke alarms. We would like to emphasise it is a criminal offence to ignore smoking regulations, to tamper with disabled or destroy a toilet smoke detector, and therefore we'd like to thank you in advance for your cooperation. But once the seatbelt signs have been turned off, please feel free to move around the cabin. However, at any point, should the captain deem it necessary to illuminate the seatbelt sign, you are requested to return to your seat to ensure your seatbelt is securely fastened and visible to the cabin crew as they pass through to secure the cabin. If you're planning to use a blanket or a duvet on tonight's flight, we recommend you fasten the seatbelt over the blanket. If the signs are illuminated and you are at rest, the crew won't need to disturb you. Well, our flight time this evening, 9 hours and 25 minutes. If you would like to adjust your watches, the time in the UK is 8 hours ahead of Las Vegas, just coming up to 6 minutes past 1 in the morning. Our estimated time of arrival presently stands at 10:30, subject to any air traffic delays. What we ask you now is to sit back and to relax. For those in the main cabin, I'd like to hand you over to John. He's your service manager. He'll run through the services that he and his team will be offering on this evening's flight. Thank you.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, as Pete has just mentioned, my name is John Conway and I'll be your cabin supervisor on this evening's flight back to London Gatwick. I would just like to add my welcome and give you some information on the services that myself and the crew will soon be offering. Once the takeoff sign has been switched off, the cabin crew will commence with their in-flight services. We will be serving you dinner with drinks. Refreshments will be available throughout the flight. Snacks can be purchased at any time during the flight, and these are listed on the last page of the Retail Therapy magazine. We will also be serving you a light breakfast before landing into London.